Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to archive emails in Gmail without deleting them, step by step. If your inbox feels crowded but you don't want to lose important emails, archiving is the perfect solution. This full guide for 2026 will help you clean your inbox safely. Archiving does not delete emails. It simply removes them from the inbox and stores them in all mail. To archive one email, select it and click the archive button. The email disappears from the inbox but stays saved. You can archive multiple emails at once by selecting them and clicking Archive. You can also automate archiving using filters and the Skip the Inbox option. Archived emails can always be found in all mail or by searching. Archived emails stay forever unless you delete them. Deleted emails go to trash and are removed after 30 days. Archive emails after reading or replying and use labels if needed. On mobile, swipe emails to archive them quickly. And that's how to archive emails in Gmail without deleting them step by step in 2026. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.